Hi, this is Anand. In this video, we can see how to use amplitude or frequency mask triggering in Spike. We can find the mask triggering settings in a lower portion of spectrum plot, and this is the two different type of triggering: amplitude level or frequency mask triggerings. We just need to enable the amplitude triggering now. Now the amplitude trigger level is 0 dBm. We can change that to minus 10 dBm now. Now we can see the triggering amplitude triggering in red portion of the trigger level, and we can come back to 0. And this is a single sweep. Here we can trigger one signal if it reaches to trigger level, and we can see the frequency triggering how it will be. Now I just generated some signal, false modulated frequency hope signal from signal generator, and same thing I fed to the spectrum analyzer. Here we can see that frequency mask table. Here we can define our mask directly using this table. We can see this is the mask table. Just to enter the different values to define this mask, and otherwise we can directly import some CSV files from predefined formats of our plots. Now just I'm directly importing some files, and this is my final mask. Here we can see two different hopping signals, and another third one is randomly hopping signal. So this two is continuously, and another third one it will go off every 5 seconds. Now I'm going with single sweep. How it will be triggers now we can see. If it reaches the third point, it will triggers automatically. We can see now this is the trigger, and we can see again another one, and this is it. Now it triggers clearly. If it's any signal reaches to this particular mask area, it will triggers. We can now it is in auto mode, so we can see that third signal, but it couldn't. Again we can go with single sweep. Now it triggers that third hopping point, and this entire mask we can import or export as a CSV file, and we can define a text file in format of CSV, and we can directly import that one. Otherwise we can using this add rows and delete rows. We can completely define this mask table here using this table here itself. Thank you for watching, and more videos please subscribe this channel.